The division problem of 27,692 divided by 23 really means that you have 27,692 slices of pizza and you want to give an equal amount to 23 people. How many slices of pizza will each person get? Our first step is to ask, can you give 10,000 slices to 23 people? That's because in division we start on the left. The 10,000th place is right here. In order to find this out, we'd multiply 23 times 10,000, which gives us 230,000. We do not have enough to give 10,000 slices to 23 people, so we won't write anything above the 10,000th place value. Next, we move over to the 1,000th place value and ask, can you give 1,000 slices to each person? You multiply 23 times 1,000, which equals 23,000. Because we have 27,000 slices, we can give away 23. I can give away 23 one time, and we'd bring that 23 down under here and subtract it. 27 minus 3, 23 equals 4. Now, notice that there aren't any zeros written here. What we could do is make something called ghost zeros. You can still see that there should be zeros here, but they're not filled out because they're not relevant at the moment. This also is because of the tens rule. As seen over here, when you multiply a number by 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc., you're just adding on zeros. So with 23, we added on 3 zeros because 1,000 has 3 zeros. So here, we'd write out 3 zeros, but 6 minus 0 will still be 6, whether it's written down or not. So, we have 4 left over. The next step is to bring down the 6. We bring down the 6 so that we can move over to the next place value. Our next question is, can we give 100 slices to 23 people? We would multiply 23 times 100, which equals 2,300. Because if we made the ghost zeros here, we technically have 46,000 here, and we want to know if we have 4,600, my bad. We want to know if we have 2,300. And in fact, we can put 2,300 into 46 2 times. So we'd write the 2 above this place value. Then we'd get 46 here, subtract that, and we would get 0. The next step would be to bring down the 9 so that we can work with the tens place. And we would ask, can we give 10 slices to 23 people? 23 times 10 equals 230. Because in this place value we only have 9, we don't have enough to give away 230 slices. So we put a 0 in the tens place, and if we do the same step as before, we'd have 0 here. 9 minus 0 equals 9. And then we would bring down the 2. Now, our last question is, can we give away 1 slice to 23 people? We do the multiplication and say 23 times 1 equals 23. And because we have 92 slices left, we can actually give away 1 slice to 23 people. We can actually do it 4 times because 23 goes into 92 4 times. So we'd write a 4 in the 1's place, do 4 times 23, which equals 92. If you subtract that, you'd have 0 left over. So, if you had 27,000 692 slices of pizza, and you wanted to split them up evenly among 23 friends. Each friend would get 1,204 slices of pizza.